before we even talk about snow, you're talking thunderstorms? I mean, welcome to spring.
Yeah, and you know, that's crazy, John, because you'll remember yesterday morning we were showing pictures that down around Tuscarawas and Carroll County, it was like 3 to 6 inches of snow that folks were waking up to. This morning, what you're waking up to isn't snow, you're waking up to rain, and that rain is going to help to melt some of that snow, so watch out for some ponding on the roadways. A little lull in the rain later on this afternoon. However, don't let your guard down, especially this evening, because that's when we're expecting heavy and strong thunderstorms to develop. We can't rule out a few severe thunderstorms in there as well. What does that mean? Strong damaging wind gusts are our primary concern out of this. So we're expecting that, generally speaking, after sunset tonight, so after the 7 to 8 o'clock hour, is when those storms should begin to move on in, and they'll be blowing through northeast Ohio from west to east, or from east to west, from about that 7 o'clock hour to about 1 or so in the morning. So that's when I want you to be on guard weather-wise. If you have a mobile device and you're going to be on the go or want severe weather updates, feel free to add me as a friend on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And of course, if any watches or warnings are issued, literally my social media will immediately light up with that information for you. Temperatures this morning in the mid and upper 30s to get things going. So certainly jacket weather, grab the umbrellas, of course. We're tracking light and at times some embedded moderate rain. You can see that in Geauga County with those shades of orange and yellow. And then right through downtown, heading towards, say, Euclid area. Again, moderate rainfall for you, so take your time on those roadways. Further down towards the south, if you're going to be taking 71 into Columbus and our state capital, some thunderstorms actually being detected this morning down that way. So when do we see the thunderstorms? Well, for the most part, not this morning. It's a warm front that's going to lift through northeast Ohio. That's going to propel temperatures into the 60s. That's one of the ingredients that we need for thunderstorms to develop. And then this area of low pressure, which helps to mix things up in the atmosphere, is going to drag a pretty powerful and potent cold front through northeast Ohio late this evening. And with it, strong to severe thunderstorms are possible, again, capable of bringing down trees and power lines. In its wake, though, much cooler air begins to settle on in. So now through noon, have those umbrellas ready and set to go. Little lull in activity during the afternoon. And then by this evening, again, we're expecting that line of showers and thunderstorms to blaze through northeast Ohio, again toppling a couple of trees and power lines. Much colder air settles in behind that, meaning that by midday tomorrow we could be tracking some snow. Could we see some light accumulation? Well, after yesterday morning, the answer, absolutely yes, so be on guard for it. And then by Thursday, that's kind of when we catch our breath in the low 40s. And then by Friday, Danielle, my goodness, so many folks are going to be driving into downtown for opening day of our Cleveland Indians. It is the unofficial start to spring. We're stuck in the 30s, and it may come with not only rain chances, but dare I say it again, SNOW chances on Friday. It's a little bit of everything.